Hi, and welcome to the Listening Window. Today's story is called I Answered a Stranger's Phone Call. It's written in simple, everyday English and told in the first person by a female narrator, me. You can use this story to improve your English listening and speaking skills. Remember, you can read along with the full script by clicking the link in the description. There, you'll also find a free downloadable PDF that includes vocabulary definitions, a short quiz with answers, and a bonus writing and speaking prompt to help you practice more. Now, let's begin the story. It all started on a rainy Thursday. I remember it clearly because my umbrella flipped inside out as I was leaving the cafe. I had just picked up a hot coffee and was heading home from a long day at work. The wind was loud, the kind of loud that makes your thoughts feel like whispers. I was walking quickly, my shoes splashing in shallow puddles, when I heard a strange ringtone. It wasn't my phone. It was coming from the ground near a bench. I looked down, and there it was. A phone, just lying there, buzzing. I looked around. No one seemed to be searching for it. I hesitated. What should I do? Ignore it? Take it to the police? But then, it started ringing again. I picked it up. Hello, I said, unsure. There was silence at first, then a man's voice. Calm. Clear. You found the phone. Yes, I just picked it up. It was on the ground. Good, he said. Listen carefully. Do not give this phone to anyone. Someone will come looking for it. Don't believe them. What? Why? He hung up. I stood there, confused, staring at the dark screen. My heart was racing a little. Who was that? Was this some kind of joke? I slipped the phone into my coat pocket and walked home. Home. I placed the phone on my kitchen table. I kept glancing at it, like it might do something on its own. That night, I hardly slept. The next day, I decided to take it to the police. But just as I stepped outside my building, a woman in her 30s approached me. Excuse me, she said, smiling nervously. Did you happen to find a phone yesterday? Near Oak Street. I froze. Yes, actually. I was going to. Oh, thank God, she interrupted. It's mine. I dropped it. I've been looking everywhere. She held out her hand, but the man's voice came back to me. Do not give this phone to anyone. Can you unlock it? I asked. She hesitated. It's out of battery. It was fully charged last night, I said. Her smile dropped. I stepped back. I'm sorry, but I need to be sure. She turned and walked away quickly. No, thank you. No frustration. Just gone. Something was definitely wrong. Back home, the phone buzzed again. A text. Well done. Another text followed. If you want the truth, meet me at the train station. 6 p.m. I should have ignored it. But I didn't. The train station was crowded. My heart was pounding. I didn't know who I was looking for. Then a man in a dark coat walked up to me. You're brave, he said. Most people wouldn't come. Who are you? My name is Alex, he said. And that phone used to belong to my sister. He pulled out a photo. A woman, smiling. The same woman who tried to take the phone earlier. She disappeared 2 months ago, he said. Then I got a message from this phone, a message she scheduled before she vanished. What did it say? I asked. He looked me straight in the eye. It said, "Don't let them take the phone. Someone will pretend to be me. Trust no one, not even the police." Chills ran down my spine. So, what now? I asked. We find out who's behind this, he said. And we start with the message history on that phone. We sat in a nearby cafe. He powered up a laptop and connected the phone. I watched the screen fill with message threads, call logs, audio files. There were photos, maps, coordinates, and then a video. We played IT was his sister. Her face pale, eyes tired. If you're watching this, it means I've failed. I got too close. Someone inside my company is hiding something. Dangerous information. I copied it to this phone. They're watching everyone. Even Alex. Especially Alex. We both sat there, stunned. Alex was shaking. She thought I was involved? I didn't know what to say. Then the cafe door opened. Two men in suits entered, scanning the room. They found us, Alex said, grabbing the phone and yanking me toward the back exit. We ran. Down the alley, around corners, into the subway. Finally, we lost them. His apartment. Alex showed me what she had uncovered. IT was a list of transactions, payments to powerful people for silencing whistleblowers from a company that handled sensitive data, the kind of data that could ruin lives. This is why she disappeared, he said. I nodded. And now we have to decide what to do. He smiled. You already decided. The moment you answered that call. That night, we uploaded everything to a secure platform. Sent it to trusted journalists. Within days, the story was everywhere. Investigations began. Arrests were made, but we never found his sister. The phone was wiped and destroyed. I still think about her sometimes. A stranger who trusted another stranger. A voice on a phone that changed everything, and me? I still answer unknown calls, but now I always wonder what's waiting on the other end. Thanks for listening to today's story on the listening window. Remember, you can download the full script, vocabulary list, quiz, answer key, and a bonus writing and speaking prompt by clicking the link in the description. And now I'd love to hear from you. What do you think happened to Alex's sister? Could she still be alive? Comment your own ending to the story below. See you next time.